Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make Facebook photos private. So in order to make your photos private on Facebook, the steps are very much simple. First of all, just tap on this Facebook icon, just enter on your Facebook, and we make sure you are signed into your account there, and just tap on this three horizontal line at the top right in order to enter your profile, or you can directly enter your profile by tapping on this icon at the top middle and just scroll down and go to the photos. Just tap on these photos at the middle left, and here you can search the photos that you have uploaded before. Just tap one of the photos, and here you can see the three dots at the top right of the photo. Just tap on this three dot, and here you can see the option of edit privacy at the second last option. Just tap on this edit privacy option. Here you can make your photos private by tapping on this only me option. If you wanna share your photos with your friends, you can just tap on this friends option, or if you wanna choose one of the specific friends, just tap on this specific friend option and you can search for the friend that you wanna show your photo just here. But here I'm going with only me option because I want to make it private. So just tap on this only me option and just go back. That's it, your photo has been hidden from everyone and it has been private. So this is how you can make your photos private on Facebook. So hope this video helped you a lot, and before you go, please like, comment and subscribe this channel as well. Thank you for watching.